Thank you for buying this 100972 acrylic organizer from Fixture Displays. This is an excellent item to organize a variety of small items, such as pens, arts and craft items, beads, buttons, and what have you. There are four drawers, all made from clear acrylic, very good workmanship, fairly sturdy. A lovely item to keep your items organized on our tabletop or in our vanity. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs.charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. We're going to measure the length, width, and depth, which is 13 by 5 by 8 inches. We'll take a drawer off to give you more measurements. It's about 7.9 by 3 inches by 2.3 inches. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other products and services we have to offer for both consumers and businesses. If you have a custom requirement, we'd love the opportunity to manufacture for you. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.